Hello friends, let's find Lightning McQueen. Yeah. Whoa, red.
Oh, Red, you missed a spot.
3, 2, 1, go red. Whoa, Mac.
You're here! Thank the manufacturer, you're alive! Mac?
Whoa, Lightning McQueen. Whoa, another Lightning McQueen.
Good jigger! I've been kind of lonely. Nobody to hang out with. I may accept the dinoco folks. Oh, and the twins, of course. You know the twins, the ones that used to be your fan.
Whoa, Jackson Storm.
Wait, who was that?
I put McQueen in there. Give you some real competition.
Wow. Dark blue Lightning McQueen.
Bring it on, old man.
Luigi?
Wow, Cruz Ramirez.
A real track to put your hours in. Okay, let's hit the treadmills. Come on, show me what you got.
Wow, another Cruz Ramirez. Big Cruz Ramirez. Wow. Who is that? Dinoco Lightning McQueen. Whoa. Tom Mater.
I like you already. My name's Mater.
Mater?
Yeah, like tomato, but without the
Go Mater. Whoa, Luigi.
Real Ferrari! Punch me, Guido. Punch me in the face.
And garbage truck. Okay friends, see you.